To start any project, right? PM is concerned. Okay. Yeah. There is little bit of disturbance from you guys. Yeah. To start with PM implementation, first of all, we certain prerequisites are there, right? But we are dependent on FICO and MM, like as we discussed. Okay, we should have a plant, okay, readily available that is associated with respect to your company code, and that is associated with respect to the controlling area. All those things is defined, and we can go for certain organization level. That this here we have seen general organization, planning based, location based organization levels, right? That, and in this, like we discussed about the company code, define plan, type of maintenance planning, okay, whether it is in centralized, decentralized. From there, like our job starts. Then we created a work center. Yes. And next, like its configuration settings we have seen, and the master data. From here, like master data starts. That's like creating a work center. Then it's what are the technical objects. Here, like I can call it as an technical objects. Okay, technical objects are nothing but a functional location and its equipment. And we have seen the configuration settings of it. And serial numbers, if there are like same construction type of the material, okay, then the concept of serial number comes into the picture. And we have seen BOM, bill of materials, and its configuration settings. Then when we talk about any technical objects, we'll have an its characteristics, correct? And we can group those characteristics to one class. Okay, though,
Yeah.
like we have seen class and characteristics. Okay, when I'm talking about any particular equipment, it consists of its own object parts, and the reason like what all may go wrong in the damaged parts and what could be the cause for it. Okay, so for root cause analysis purpose, we are going to use the catalogs. Okay, this is one thing, and what tasks like we can perform to overcome that particular thing, and what activities we have performed. All those things comes under your catalogs. Okay, and again, when I'm talking about any technical object, then like
Sir,
I'm talking about, yeah.
hello. Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Usually, I found catalogs for basically analysis for the purpose of
Root cause
analysis.
analysis. Yes.
Yeah, root cause analysis because and
And
class and character.
another one thing, you will come to know what all object parts are there in your equipment also, right? Okay,
Yeah, actually.
which can may go wrong. That is a damaged part. First of all, object parts. You should write all the object parts involved in that. Then you should write like what are the damaged parts, what may go wrong, damaged part. What could be the damage in that? Example, say some circuit breaker. Okay, in that like something fuse. Like that, we have to define everything. Okay, of course, all these things are used for your root cause analysis. Yeah.
Sure.
Again, like when I'm talking about any particular technical object, then for that particular technical objects, we have to do the inspection, right? The inspection means we are going to measure certain things. Those are like measuring points, and we have to document it. Okay, measuring points and measurement documents. Yeah. Second is measurement documents creation. Okay. Another one thing we have seen as a permits. Then like we have seen permits classification.
Yeah. Sir, there is one
Yes.
question regarding catalog. Uh, Suppose that we have to make 500 catalogs. So you have told us that we have to make individually 500.
Correct.
Uh, so actually, I found the same. We have around 280 to 300 catalogs, and we have to upload it. We have uploaded it manually one by one,
Huh, huh.
creating one by one. But why
Okay.
SAP is not creating like master data? We put in Excel and upload it.
That because it is an backend one, so that could be one of the reason. Okay, and here there are like catalogs and code groups, and inside again there is an like code groups. You have to go for the codes, so that is not that feasible because of
Okay.
that particular reason. They will come up
Answer.
one day, like it will become easy. Maybe like in
Okay.
migration objects also they may introduce that catalogs. It could be the easy part later on.
Answer ground on ground basis, we cannot also assign catalog profile to any equipment master. Na? I found that for
No,
creating
no, no.
order of
That we can do. That we can do.
uh, that we can do, sir, but it is I found not more relevant because maybe more than one catalog profile will be used in any type of equipment.
No, no,
It
no,
is
no, never it'll happen. Never it'll happen like that. See, I'm talking about catalog profile that consists of different catalogs. Okay.
yeah
And that particular different catalogs consists of like code groups. That code groups consists of codes. This much of data will be sufficient for your one equipment. In fact, one catalog profile can be applied for many like equipments, minimum like 10, 15 if you make it as in common points.
yeah actually
Yeah.
actually that is what I'm asking.
You can make it right instead of creating some 100, 200 catalogs. Try to minimize those things. Utilize your knowledge based on the technical means you have to sit with the technical persons, okay, users, okay, talk to them. What could be this lang means? What could be the description of that? That you confine, you minimize or increase the list of that one. Okay, increase it so that like for one or two equipments they can search among them which one they want. I'll go for example, say one code groups, okay, some 10 codes. Instead of the 10 codes, you increase it to 40 codes. That 40
Hmm.
codes, remaining 30 codes, it could be like useful for some other equipments in general.
Sure.
Okay, in general you can use that. So that way you can do it. It's not an issue. Okay, in LSMW, whatever I said, like there, like I'll show you how, like normally we can assign a catalog profiles, okay, through online because equipments and function location data will be more, right, to cover
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Yes, and again, like LSMW topic and another one topic is also there, migration data cockpit. This is a S4 HANA thing. Now everyone is using this.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, then like where we were, yes. Permits is over, permit classification is over. We have seen like notification, types of notifications. Okay, three different types of notifications. We can create our own notifications and examples a maintenance request. In that, like we can create corrective order. In this corrective order, again, we have seen some manpower, labor cost, the dealing with, and external labor and external services. To see, right? External services, or we have seen, I guess, external services. Yeah, external
Yeah.
services we have seen for refurbishment order. Yes. Then go for stock component, non-stock component, all those things we have seen. Breakdown
Yes, sir.
order, like shutdown maintenance order, order including notification, preventive orders. Okay, in these orders also, but we didn't complete this order. You can complete this order. You know how to complete this order.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, same way. Okay, preventive maintenance here also. It's a lengthy topic, so we have taken time in this strategy creation, task list creation. In that, like strategy plan, single cycle plan. Okay, then multiple counter plan. Okay, and we have defined a background job. Okay, after that, like we have seen refurbishment order, repair of any particular material. Then we have seen calibration order. Today we will see about some investment order. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, investment orders, like how it is. It is
Investment
very,
order
very
is
less team people, like very less clients will use this particular investment order. Okay, till now, like our words was actually like maintenance order we used to call, right? We used to do the maintenance. Okay, but now we are investing it something that is like investment maintenance order, investment order or investment maintenance order, any type. Okay, this type is different. So what is the meaning of this particular? Anyway, you know about this investment. I'll talk about capital investment.
yeah, like
Okay,
we are implementing in any project like 100 crores of rupees, yeah, 500 crores.
it is a very big amount, right? It is very big amount. So that time, like what you are going to do, you are going to do project systems, PS module.
Okay, okay.
Okay, you deal with everything. Okay, now what I am talking about, after this, it comes to the maintenance. Actually, you know how it maintenance. Once project is installed, then once it is go live, project is running, then you start your maintenance, right? PM module. But now, without PS, like normally, what you are doing, going to do, like small projects. Example, say one paper machine. How much is one paper machine?
One paper
Sir,
machine in itself is a capex. Okay. Tell something. Uh, there are a lot of maintenance jobs going on, but they are of high capital nature, right? But
Hmm.
they are not under PA project systems. There is not जो project system में उसका कोई WBS नहीं बनता है और लेकिन उसके लिए एक certain level तक अप्रूवल लेना पड़ता है, बजटरी अप्रूवल लेना पड़ता है, और उसको रूटीन मेंटेनेंस पे करते हैं. दैट कैन बी डन अंडर दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑर्डर.
Correct. Correct. Okay. This like it could be on examples, a new motor you are going to create. Okay.
Yeah.
Or else you can talk about your new paper machine. It is an addition to your production. Okay, increase. Or you're adding some new pump over there. Okay, like this and all, you can go for it. Understood. Here it could be like example, say some 50 lakhs, 1 crore. It is, there is no limit. It is limit of your, say example, say your project itself is 1000 crores. Okay, then that time like 1 crore, 2 crores doesn't make any sense, right? So like that, your it could be like increase to 1 crore, 2 crores, whatever your machine or whatever thing. Your project itself is like 10 crores, then 50 crores, 10 crores and all, you cannot use it. Then you have to go for project systems. Okay, means intention is not about the budget. Intention is the whole plant you are not implementing or new thing you are not going to do. It's just addition of some part. Okay.
Okay.
It's an capital investment, as you said, capital investment. Idea like addition part to existing process. It could be like additional part in the sense like any machine. Okay, it is adding it. Understood. In your process, like if you know what happens, it is not like another paper machine is coming up. Means another one paper industry is coming up. Another plant is coming up. No, another like of course like more than 50% addition new thing is happening. It is not like that. At least like 10%, 15%, 20% of addition something is happening. Okay, in that case, like we are going to go for this. Okay, investment order. Like there are the configuration settings first. Let me go for the prerequisite conditions. Let me go for SAP reference IMG in SPRO. Then I'll go for your plant maintenance and customer service. Then you go for maintenance and service processing. Go for your maintenance and service orders. Okay, go for your functions and settings for order types. Okay, here first particular point anyway in detail I will show you during your order configuration settings. By meantime I will show you one thing. Okay, here see order types and investment management.
Okay.
Okay, in this that should be tick mark. Okay, whatever order type I am using it, indicate your order type for investment measures. Okay, this configuration should be there. Okay, see what order type I'm using. I'm using now investment order PM07. This tick mark is there now. Okay, this is most important configuration setting before using this particular order type PM07. Then you can ask a question. Then for refurbishment also it is the same. Okay, because we use some different T code to create an order, and of course PM04. Is there any configuration setting? Yes, of course there is a configuration setting. Okay, what is that configuration setting? Come back here, see indicate order type for refurbishment order. Here, this is the configuration setting. Where is my order? Order is this. There is a tick mark. Yes, there is a tick mark. Is there any other got tick mark? No.
No.
Okay, if another one is there, then we can use it for refurbishment again. Okay, this PM04, your tick marking is this. Understood. This is a configuration setting. Must for investment order, it should be like investment order tick mark. Okay, but for investment order, you can see another one thing. Okay, indicate like type of measure. See here, there is something called investment profile. What is this profile? I'll call it as a budget profile. Okay, where you can see that come back here, you can see configure order types. In this configure order types, you can go for PM07, that is investment order. Go for this. Here, see, there is something called budget profile. Okay, yeah, budget profile has been assigned. Okay, who will give this? Again, when I'm talking about budget, amount and all, of course, FICO is involved. Correct. This is an integration between FICO module. PM is integration between your PM, PS or FICO. Okay,
Yeah.
of course, FICO and PM, PS also. Okay, I'll tell you PS and all. later. Yeah. Okay. This much is done. These are the you can call it as an what I can tell prerequisite conditions. Okay. To create an investment order. Now you tell like what is coming up for what you are investing. I said like paper machine. Okay, paper machine is not an whole thing. No? It is some 10% of your paper industry, correct? Manufacturing industry.
Yeah.
But whether I'm correct or
Yeah.
correct, right? Okay. Yes. 1 second. I wanted to show you. Okay. Now next, like I'll go for your order creation. Okay, another one screen. Let me go for IW31. Normal. If you want like notification, you can create or not necessary. Since like we are going for directly creation of the order. Okay, order type is what? Investment order type. Okay, here priority, medium or like high priority, whatever you can keep it. Whether I can select any equipment?
Yeah, sir. We need to select no? Because from where we can जहाँ पे
Think and
इन्वेस्टमेंट करना सर
think
जहाँ
and
पे
answer.
इन्वेस्टमेंट
Think and answer. हम लोग अभी इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या कर रहे हैं?
सर हम कुछ आपने बताया कि इन्वेस्टमेंट हम उस पे लगाएंगे जिस पे कुछ नया पार्ट हम इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हो एडिशनल
हाँ, तो नया पार्ट खरीद रहे हैं ना हम लोग तो.
खरीद रहे
इट्स
हैं
एन
तो सर उसको
कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट हो गया ना वो तो.
ओके तो
हाँ,
फंक्शनल
कैपिटल
लोकेशन
इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब ये ऑर्डर को थ्रू हम लोग खरीद रहे हैं. हम लोग आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनी मेंटेनेंस, राइट? आई एम
ओके
procuring it. I am implement means in the sense like in implementing बोलने से installation. Okay, physical
इंस्टॉलेशन
सॉफ्टवेयर तो implement होगा, machine तो installation होगा. Correct. I am going to procure it. That is what investment. You are investing it, right? मतलब ये तो मुझे अभी तक इक्विपमेंट पता नहीं है मुझे.
तो फंक्शनल
ओके,
लोकेशन तो सर हमें पड़ेगा ना
फंक्शन लोकेशन तो टेक्निकल ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया ना. दोनों दोनों तो सेम है.
या
Okay. You are procuring it. You are procuring like any technical object. It could be a function location or it could be an equipment. Equipment is an individual object. Okay. Function location is a structure, whole thing. Yeah.
ओके
So I don't know. So later, like we can have it. So what I'm
ओके
doing, I'm not entering anything. Okay, I'm procuring it, right? First I have to procure. But procurement में क्या करते हो आप लोग? Project systems use करते थे पहले, correct? If you are going for a new project, new paper industry लगाना है तो PS module चाहिए आपको. उसका थ्रू आप
ओके
प्रोक्योरमेंट जो भी चाहिए वो करते थे. बट लाइक व्हेन आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ स्मॉल पार्ट, कुछ नया कुछ मतलब 10 मोटर लगा के like when where one part like I'll show you. Okay, you guys familiar with power plant, right?
या
आपको तो प्रोसेस पता रहेगा. Okay, see, I'll go for this example. Say if you are going for a new power plant, then new thing PS system चाहिए. अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, लाइक एक नया एक इकोनोमाइजर लगा रहा हूँ, एक नया एक टरबाइन लगा रहा हूँ और एक टरबाइन लगा रहा हूँ बस. जो प्रोसेस में इसका साथ और एक टरबाइन लगेगा बस. ओके, छोटा सा ऐसा नहीं है कि और एक एश हैंडलिंग, एक बॉयलर, एक सुपर हीटर, एक इकोनोमाइजर, एक टरबाइन लगाएगा तो वो भी बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट हो जाएगा ऑलमोस्ट, लगभग, है ना. सो थोड़ा छोटा मोटा मतलब हम लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑर्डर में कवर कर सकते हैं. एग्जांपल, थिंक लाइक यू आर गोइंग फॉर ए न्यू टरबाइन over here. Instead of this, there is an you guys said like there is an paper machine, right? I am going for a paper machine. Simple. Order type reference object to display updated. Okay, understood. This much is sufficient. I'm not giving any details, further details.
यस सर अंडरस्टूड
Okay, enter now. Plant, of course I have to provide for which plant you are working on. Okay, let me go for plant over here. If necessary, some area, if it is there, you can mention that area also. 1 second. Okay, enter. Okay. See now like create investment order. Okay. What is like your one? Yeah, I'll tell installation of new paper machine.
Okay.
This would be sufficient. Yes. Planner group. Since there is no equipment, so all these details we have to fill. Okay. We cannot like there is no master data, right? To get copied. So we have to create our like we have to select. Okay. Thing like this. Any work center which we had created?
Yeah, UTL BM one.
UTL BM. Okay. It start with the U.
It's 2 million downside.
Okay. With the 1,000 plant. Okay. This one.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah. Something like this I'm selecting in general. Okay. Some estimated cost. I'll put it like some 50 lakhs. That would be sufficient.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Plant not allowed for plant maintenance. Maybe like one. Yeah. Okay. What is your control key for first operations? It is telling. Okay. Anyway. I'll tell like M01. Later, like we'll go and fill it up. This, cost part. There's some 50
Yeah.
lakhs, anything you can mention that is an estimated cost based on your previous experience or whatever. Okay, it is not in shutdown job or investment maintenance. So I'm doing like investment order. Okay, any other this also we can configure. Yeah, and you're doing during any shutdown part. Example say during shutdown you're doing, then you can assign that revision.
Yeah.
So header data we have finished, we have filled it up. Equipment I don't know. Okay, because we are purchasing it. Okay, here what I am doing. Example say in paper machine there will be some paper machine first of all, one paper machine. Okay,
Yeah.
installation of new paper machine, and I will mention some electrical jobs. Correct. I'll
Yeah.
mention some in that also there will be a mechanical jobs. Okay, to machine like you will tell about some civil jobs. Okay,
Sure.
some structural jobs. All these things, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, structural jobs. Then afterwards I will tell like inspection of paper machine. Okay, at last. Okay, you can divide it now. Who will do all these jobs? Since it is an kind of an investment project. Okay, installation of paper machine. Okay, like internal labor only will do it. External electrical jobs also internal labor. Or mechanical jobs, civil jobs. We will do one thing. We'll keep it for external labor. Mechanical jobs and civil works jobs. Okay. Now structural jobs and all done by the external services. Okay, inspection of machine also done by the external person who like sends this means vendor. Okay, OEM will be there, no original equipment manufacturer. That particular person will come for inspection of this after installation paper machine. Understood now? How
Yeah.
we can segregate? Yes. Some hours we will put some here 20 hour 20 people here some 20 people hours also some 25 hours some 25 hours anything you can mention. Okay, this much and then what else is there? Okay, more. Yeah, as of now, this much is sufficient. And now, like I'll go for this external. For external labor and external services, we have to fill up the external one, purchasing data. We'll call it as an purchasing data. Okay, I'll go for the purchasing data. Yes. Okay, for this first mechanical jobs, what is your quantity? Quantity example, say some 2025, some 250 hours. Okay, auxiliary unit. 250 hours price you can mention our hours on any unit. Okay, price like I'll mention some 500. Okay, here it will be AI some 300 euros something like that. Okay, and the purchasing group and material group, any material groups and vendor will go with this
Yeah.
vendor 1,000 vendor. Okay, same thing like you want to go with your civil jobs. Okay, civil jobs also. How many? Some example say some 200 hours. Okay, auxiliary units. Any price you can mention. Some 400 euros. Material group you select. Purchasing group. Okay, here like same vendor I'll go with. Okay, these two things like I'm going with the same vendor. Continue. And next like here it is structural job. Structural job is always citizen PM03 means external service. External services price I cannot give over here. External I'll give services part. Okay, here operation quantity, it is in lump sum. Individual quantity I have to give somewhere else. So I'll go for some material groups. Okay, in material groups, anything like you want to have, like examples, steel, electronics, mechanics. Okay, structure, anywhere it is there, structure or steel sheets, something like this. Okay, you can go for this purchasing group I'm mentioning. Okay, this external I'm going with 1,001 vendor. So go with this. And for inspection of paper, paper machine also, something like this. Okay, other vendors. So here also some 1,001 vendor I'm going with.
So,
Okay,
sir, we have
quantity
to.
I can give quantity. So quantity where you'll give, see here, you'll give over here. Okay, I'll go for the fourth option. Yeah, this one, not fourth, fifth. Here, see, for structural jobs, it's a PM03. Okay, here I cannot give any price. It's a grade out. Okay, see here there is something called services part. This is most thing. Okay, here also one lump sum quantity. Here you can have n number of quantities, service numbers under this. Yeah, you are saying something. Tell me what kind of services you are going to carry out now. Example, say some electrical installation. This is one thing, one job, one what quantity. Quantity example, say some 20 AU units and some 200 price. See, 200 multiplied by 20, automatically it will got 4,000 euros.
Yes.
It got updated. Okay, like that. Like second one also I'll go like that. You can have a number of it is not only one. You can go for this inspection of paper machine. You can go for inspection. If services, these services are created by whom? Service numbers MM. Okay, it will be there already. Examples of floor construction, all these things. Just for our easiness, I'm selecting this one part. Yeah, tell me you are saying something.
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay, so some price. If you give this price like this, okay. Again, another one I'll give. Example, say electrical installation one. For this inspection also, he will check this also. You think installation, okay? Then you'll give some 200. Okay, this both multiplied. Here it will come. Summation of these two. Here you can see. And quantity here lump sum it is one. But in the breakup, this 20, this 5. Understood? This is called your services part.
Okay.
External services, PM03 control key.
Sure.
Okay, go for your operations. Now you can see PM01, 02, 03. Okay. Yes, let me show you this also. PM02 control key. Go for your external this purchasing data. We will call it as purchasing data. Okay. This purchasing
Yes.
data is must. Okay, certain defaults also we can maintain. For users, it will be easier for them to need not to enter this every time because it is a practice server. That's why we are entering everything. But we can maintain a default things. How we can maintain default things? I'll show you in configuration settings. Okay, and in real time, team will provide us the data. If I select PM02 control key, what all your material groups, purchasing group, everything it should be. Okay, default values. That is also fine. Now manpower you came to know, which was like internal labor, and external services. Correct. Three things. Okay. And you know about all these things, work center, plant, control keys. Okay, this next work center, number of capacity, all these things and relationships we can maintain, and year calculation key and year activity type, which is applicable for your internal labor only. Next, let me go for components. Component, of course, you're purchasing many things. So if you don't know the component numbers, okay, already you are purchasing, okay, which is given by the team, you can directly mention a description. Or else like in real time what happens, user means team will provide you whatever you want to procure, that material code will be created and you can enter that material code. You think like material code is not there, so I'll go for paper machine directly, paper machine. Okay, then or else you can select from this component, you know that, right? Yeah, paper machine. Next, what else is there? Electrical parts for paper machine, mechanical parts for paper machine.
Electronics
Okay,
part.
electronics, that's what, electrical and electronics. Okay, here we have mentioned. Then example say, in our case, we'll go for one stock component for just for our example purpose. Okay, stock component I'll go for. Yes. Now requirement quantity here, paper machine 1, electrical quantity 10 I will put. Here some mechanical parts 20 I will put. Okay. Some category you have to put. Of course, it is a non-stock. No, you are procuring from outside. This is also non-stock. This mechanical parts also non-stock. One is bearing I require. Just for our example purpose, I'm considering this. 100. This also I'll consider it some two stock components. That would be sufficient. For which operation? I'll mention like for first operation. Okay, unit of measurement, I'll mention each, anything is mentioned. Since it is an external quantity, external component category, non-stock component, I have to provide a purchasing data. See, detailed purchasing data. This is most important thing. Okay,
Yeah.
price like I'll put some 10 lakhs. Okay, this is 10 lakhs only. Yeah, 10 lakhs I have put. Some material group, purchasing organization, vendor. Which vendor? I'll go for some 1002 vendor. I don't know for which one. I had selected which vendor for other ones. Some different vendor I'll select or same vendor. It will be fine. No
1001
issues. 1001.
selected.
1000
Yeah.
and 1001 we had selected. 1000 is for external labor, 1001 for external services. 1002 is fine. Okay, or same vendor. 1000 also it is fine. Okay, no issues. Can delivery date be met? Okay. Second one for which operation? After entering like unit of measurement, again it will ask for your purchasing data is incomplete. I'm entering the purchasing data price. Okay, this is 10 lakhs. Huh? This one I'll keep it as an some again some 2 lakhs, 3, 4, 5. Okay, material group 1000 here 1000 to vendor. Okay, continue. Again another one is third operation I'll mention, unit of measurement I'll mention. Okay, like this it will come always. You have to fill the purchasing data.
Sure.
Okay. Yes, and continue and price I'll mention another one 3 lakhs. Okay, since mechanical, I'll go for this parts vendor. Okay, this vendor. Understood? After filling
Yeah.
up of the details, these are the measurement purchasing order details. Okay, continue. For which operation it is? Again, fifth operation, something. Again, some fourth operation for stock components. Okay, only thing is storage location you have to provide for flat gasket and ball bearing. Since it is in reservation is created. For external or non-stock components, PR will be raised. For stock components, reservation will be raised. Okay, understood? These two things like you should know. And you want to see the purchasing data, select this, go for your purchasing data. Here you can check. Okay, general data, here it is there. See for reservation number will be created. Okay, cost part, you can go and check the cost part. Okay, see here cost part, estimated cost, planned cost and all. It is not generated. Once you save, it will generate, or like you can determine the cost over here. See, you can determine the cost. What is the cost now? Everything we have given, no? Almost. Yeah,
Yeah.
report plan bar actual cost. What is your planned cost now?
Land costs now 11
1 crore 12 lakhs. Huh?
1 crore 12 lakh 18,036.
Correct. 1 crore 12 lakhs. Huh? Correct. 1
Yeah.
crore 12 lakhs 18,000. 18,036. This is your,
Yeah.
yeah. You can give your like approximately that estimated cost anyway. You can provide that. This is your planned cost. So here what happens? There will be a budget no for your team for this particular job. Who will give that particular budget?
PDI team, project development innovation.
Hmm.
Sir, in our plant, this type of budget is given by PDI team and FICO team. They will set.
They will do it. Okay, fine. Okay,
They will decide.
normally yes. Okay, in objects, additional data you know about this function locations you know. Okay, see location here you can provide 1000 plant for 1000 plant you are preparing it. Okay, for which location all these things you can fill it up later. That is fine. So let me release this particular order first. Order release refused as permits are still missing. Okay,
Yeah.
then like what I will do first, let me save this order. Save is sufficient. Later I'll come back and I'll release. First let me save this.
So
Yeah. Now like order got created. First of all, you have a budget for this. Yeah, okay, you have a budget, but like where it is maintained in the system. Since I said it is an integration between your FICO module also, right? FICO module. So budget will be maintained. Where it will be maintained by them? So it will be maintained by them in KO22 T code. Okay, against an order KO22. Now once you have created your thing, you have created an estimation for this. You have showed this, you got an approval from your management. Okay, I am going for this particular order. Okay, investment, and this much will be the cost investment. Okay, against this particular order, now budget will be prepared. See, budget is maintained. This one, that
Yeah.
is called original budget. KO22. Okay, we won't be having an authorization. They will have an authorization. Yes, enter
But
now.
sir, but in practice server we have no sir.
Practice server we have. Production I'm
Yeah.
talking about. Whatever I'm talking about, always like production. If
Okay,
I'm
sir.
telling we won't be having an authorization and all, that is real time. Okay, product like practice, you can do anything. You can purchase a
Okay.
server and you can practice anything. Okay, but in real time, it is not our job. It is their job. Okay, yeah. And now see, this is your planned cost. Okay, already it is maintained. Now what I will do, I will maintain this much only, or like in more than this. Okay, for financial 24. Okay, financial year 2024. Instead of this, I'll go for say here I'll go for some 5 lakhs like this. This will be sufficient.
Hmm.
How much it will be? 1 crore 15 lakhs 18,000. 1 crore
Yes, sir.
15 lakhs 18,036. It will be sufficient, right? Yeah. Little bit
Okay.
more I have taken. Okay. Overall budget is this much. Why I am considering bit more like I'll let you know. Okay. Example say there is something called once it is budget is created for this particular order. Here you see we'll go for this order and we will check what will be the status of it. See, status of it is budgeted. Earlier it
Okay.
was not there. Yeah, now it is
Hmm.
budgeted. KO22 is the T code. Okay. Now there is something called controlling. Okay, availability control active. That is like this control active. What is this availability control active? How it got this availability control active? I will let you know. So go back, go for SAP reference IMG. Then again you go for investment management. Where is investment management? Investment management. Okay, in that like investment management internal orders as internal investment measures. In that you go for planning and budgeting. In that you go for define tolerance limits. Okay, this is
Okay.
the path. This is the path. You remember the budget profile what is maintained for your order type? I showed you in shell beginning. Anyone remember that?
50,000 euro.
No, 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 not that. Okay, budget profile like I had showed you, right? This is my budget profile.
Okay, 001.
Okay, assigned for your order type. Okay, four zeros
Okay.
one, 4 or 5 zeros 1. So here you go. Controlling area is 1,000 for this. Okay, whatever we are using. See, for 1,000 there are like this, and this. Three things are there. Okay, 5 zeros 1, 5 zeros 1, 5 zeros 1. What are the three things? Okay, here it is there. See, budget you have provided how much? Some 1 crore 15 lakhs something. Correct, 1 crore 15 lakhs 18,000. This is my budget. Okay.
Yeah.
And here I'll mention 1 crore 15 lakhs 18,036.33. Correct. This is my budget. Okay.
Okay.
In this budget, like what I have mentioned is, okay, here see 98%. If I 90% if you consume, okay, there will be a warning message.
Okay.
Okay, warning message you will get it. Okay, who will get it? Whoever is like controlling that particular budget, no, that particular person, or you are opening the order, you will get it. Okay,
Why
the
why on only 90%? This is
yeah, this is
also
editable, no. Yeah, you can keep it
okay.
10% also. You can 92, 95, 98, anything you can keep it. Okay,
Okay.
I'll keep it some your any sake 93%. Okay, here 95%, here 98% or 99%, you'll get an error. Okay, better like for calculation purpose, I'm keeping it as 90. Or you can get it a like error message. Okay, here what I said, warning with mail to person responsible, error message. Error message means it doesn't allow you to go ahead. Okay, you consume like 100%, then only it doesn't allow you. Okay, or else example say 105%. Okay, 5% extra cushion they have given. You can give extra cushion, no issues. Budget is there. Got it?
Got it.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yes, how it will work, we will see. Now we have configured this in a backend against this profile. Okay, how it works, we will see. Now see, it is in backend 93 something and all we have changed. Let me go for our own request. We have saved under KPIL. Okay, KPIL. Okay, continue. So let me go for your budget calculation now. Where we have calculated? Somewhere we have calculated here. Where you have mentioned budget, there we have calculated. Okay, what is your percentage? Percentage is 93, 95, 98. No, this one we have changed actually.
Sure.
Okay, 93% multiplied by this. Okay, next like another one is how much? 95% multiplied by this. Another one is how much? 98%. 98% multiplied by this. Okay, now we should get an warning message, warning with the mail, and mail of course we don't get. We have to configure that workflow. No, don't worry about that. Only error message we will try. Warning message and error message we will see. Now budget is, yeah, budget is how much here? Already like you should get an warning message. 92% of it. मतलब इससे ऊपर चला गया ना अपना, मतलब इससे नीचे 1 crore 7 lakhs 11,000.
Yes.
You should get an warning message, no? Okay. So now we'll go and go and release this particular order now.
Yes, sir.
Order release is refused. Permits are missing. So let me use some permits. Okay. See, this is what asset in construction exists. This is the new one. Once if you release it, okay, release the order, then there will be an status called asset in construction exists. In a backend, there will be an asset will be created. Okay, I will let you know like what is that asset. Means you are procuring some asset, no, new asset you are procuring it. That's what like asset in construction exists. Yes. Understood?
Yeah, I understood.
Yeah. Okay. Save it. Now what we have to do after releasing the order? Now we should know all this PR to PO. You have to convert it, right? First of all, manpower. So let me go for this PR. Anyway, common PR will be there for everything. So select this. Go for ME53N. Go for another one session. Go for PO creation. What and all POs we will create? First let me create 10 and 20. It is easy for me. I'll go with a vendor wise. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now PO has been created for first one. First two line items we have created a PO, that is 10 and 20 line item. Yeah. Next another one thing is Next 10 and 20, that is 30 and 40. Means this is external services. Okay.
Okay.
For external services, see here it is grayed out, PO quantity and net price is grayed out. Where you will check that net price and all?
In real time, this will be done by purchase team, na?
Purchase team, correct. Okay, see here. Here if you want to change anything, here it will get reflected. Understood for first line item. Second line item, this here, two things are there. This it will get affected. Yeah. Another one PO also got generated. This is for external services. This is for PM02 external labor. This is for PM03. Okay, this manpower POs we have created. Now let me go and create a material PO. Go for this. Okay, 30, 40. Now it will be 50. Same vendor, no 50. 60 also
Yes.
same vendor. I guess 70. I guess how many are there for us? See, go for it. 50. Paper machine, electrical 160, 70, mechanical one. Yeah. Okay, till there only I guess 60, 70, mechanical. That's that done it. 70.
Yeah.
Okay, three materials. We are procuring it. Yeah, some
Yes.
code, tax code you give it. Okay, now you check the prices. Okay, all the prices are okay, fine. No issues for us. Okay, so save it. Another PO got created.
Yes.
Now material PO for line items 50, 60, 70. These are the purchase. First we will, and another one thing is a reservation created. Right, let me go for your display of your order. Investment order, go for your general data. Let me copy a reservation number. Okay, now you will withdraw the material. After release, you take the printout and person will go to the stores to collect the material. How, what and all you will collect? Stock component and non-stock you will collect first. Correct, please concentrate, okay?
Yes, sir.
I guess like you are not familiar with these things.
No, no, sir.
Yeah,
That's why. Yeah.
yeah,
Fine.
yes, reservation is created, then come back, then to collect the material for stock component, you will collect stock or non-stock, whatever. See, stock components means goods issue against the reservation number. Go for your reservation number, copy this, execute. Okay, see ball bearing and flat gasket. Okay, item okay. Next one also I'm making item okay. Check it. Storekeeper will perform this Migo transaction code. That is goods issue. Posting only possible for in periods. Okay. Now month has changed, no today. Actually, it isn't FICO one related. Okay. FICO thing.
Right.
This kind of error will get in service. There is lot of disturbance from your side. Okay. I don't know why. Okay. See, if you get this kind of errors, okay, normally we'll go for MMPB. MMPB. Let me go for period. Fourth period fiscal year is 2024. Okay. Executed. Who will do this? Again, FICO will do it. Okay. Posting it is not done in March period. Okay. It is open for only March period. So here posting only possible for in the period of 3rd. Okay. And February in company code because it has been closed means new period is not opened yet. Okay. So we have opened it. Okay. MMPV transaction code. In real time, need not to bother much. It's purely MM team and FICO team will take care. Yeah. Execute this. Yeah, again we'll go and check now. Item okay. For second one, item okay. Go for check for any errors. Now see, no errors. Document is okay and post it. Now goods issue has been done. Right, means user has received stock component. Now once user has received the stock component, now he has to get the non-stock component also, right? Non-stock component is machines, new machines, whatever is there. See, posted, go for your goods received. Now you have to receive it against the purchase order number. This is my order number. What all machines are there? We are procuring paper machine. We are procuring like electrical part like for paper machine, mechanical parts for paper machines, like that it is. Okay. Item okay. For remaining things like I mentioned, like item okay. Check for any errors and post it. See, material document got posted. Now you received like stock material and non-stock material. All those things like you can check over here. If you go for document flow, this is most important, this document flow. Okay. See, refresh or whatever. See, purchase requisition got created, goods receipt done, goods receipt done, goods receipt done here, goods issue done. Okay, here purchase order, purchase order, purchase order got created. Yeah, come back. Then what else is there? Then you perform the actual work at site. Now, once you perform the actual work at site, then what you will do? Our system will come to know that you have completed the work. Then confirmation.
Confirmation, sir. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Confirmation. IW 41. Confirmation you will do for which kind of manpower?
For
For what kind of labor? What kind of manpower you do for confirmation?
which we have, sir, created on earlier external manpower.
एक्सटर्नल इधर ही तो चला गया आपका प्रिपरेशन बहुत खराब है हाँ
Yes, sir.
भयानक खराब है आप लोग का प्रिपरेशन सिंपल इधर गो ऑपरेशन जाइए आप मैं क्या बता रहा हूँ फ्रॉम डे वन दिस इज माय इंटरनल लेबर नो PM01 कंट्रोल की PM01 कंट्रोल की बोलने से लाइक आपका कंपनी खन्ना पेपर्स एग्जांपल से दोस आर इंटरनल लेबर्स ओके एंड हियर इट इज एक्सटर्नल लेबर PM02 कंट्रोल की इसके लिए हम लोग प्योरली लाइक PR हैज बीन क्रिएटेड राइट जस्ट नाउ
Yeah.
अभी तो हम लोग PR जनरेट किया इसको परचेसिंग डाटा फिल किया मैंने 15 मिनट टाइम लेके फॉर PM03 एक्सटर्नल सर्विसेज आल्सो आई हैव क्रिएटेड फॉर दैट आई हैव कन्वर्टेड PR टू PO मैकेनिकल जॉब सिविल जॉब्स ओके इसको मैं फिर से ओपन करके दिखाया व्हाट इज योर एक्सटर्नल डाटा वेयर यू कैन चेक सी आई एम परचेजिंग इट फ्रॉम वेंडर दूसरा वेंडर से मैं खरीद रहा हूँ ना मैन पावर
Yes, sir.
ओके जब इंटरनल लेबर जॉब होगा ये तो एक्टिविटी टाइप भी बताया इट विल बी लेबर कॉस्ट आई एम नॉट गोइंग इन डेप्थ ऑफ दैट ओके अभी मैं पूछने से आप फिर बोलेंगे आपको पता नहीं ये वाला ये प्राइस वेयर इट विल बी मेंटेन्ड
किसका सर?
इंटरनल लेबर वाला प्राइस कहाँ मेंटेन किया रहेगा
कॉस्ट में सर।
वही तो कास्ट में मतलब कहाँ से आएगा वो प्राइस
सर जब प्लानर ग्रुप बनाते हो उधर एक्टिविटी कैपेसिटी जो टैब होती है उधर मेंटेन करते हैं।
वही तो वो वाला प्राइस कहाँ से आएगा वेयर दैट पर्टिकुलर प्राइस विल बी मेंटेन्ड मैं 200 यूरोस करके मेंटेन किया ना 200 250 300 वो दैट प्राइस वेयर आई हैव मेंटेन्ड एक्चुअली
नॉट रिमेंबरिंग राइट नाउ।
ये तो फर्स्ट वाला मास्टर डाटा क्रिएशन है फर्स्ट मास्टर
Yes,
डाटा इफ यू वुड हैव गॉन टू द वीडियो राइट देन यू वुड हैव कम टू नो एंड बाकी में बहुत सारा मैं बताया बहुत बार मैंने बताया ओके आप लोग का प्रिपरेशन बहुत मतलब पुअर है इट इज नॉट अप टू मार्क व्हाट इज दिस वेयर डू यू मेंटेन एनी आइडिया you remember
activity
anything activity type where do you maintain that activity what T code you use for that
वर्क सेंटर में सर।
वर्क सेंटर में वही तो वर्क सेंटर में हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं उसको
यस सर।
but it is maintained somewhere else right that where we have maintained it ये तो मैं इधर बताया KP26 T code में यूज करेंगे हम लोग वो FICO वाला देखेगा that labor cost if someone asks like where labor cost is maintained your answer should be like that is maintained using like T code called KP26 that is an activity type okay
Okay sir.
please concentrate
Yes sir.
okay see now like we are into labor cost see labor cost का हिसाब से कितना आएगा अभी confirmation में सिर्फ 2 आएगा ये 1 and 2
जो
okay see now
सर
confirmation
सर जैसे हम बाहर वाली लेबर आती है और एक्सटर्नल सर्विसेज और एक्सटर्नल लेबर्स, तो उनके काम को भी तो कंफर्म करना पड़ेगा ना सर।
कंफर्म करेंगे ना, वही उसी का थ्रू। वो तो उसको पहले परचेज ऑर्डर है ना, ऐसे ही नहीं है ऐसे ही बुला लिया उसको।
या वो तो है सर।
हाँ, वो तो नहीं है ना, वो तो देयर शुड बी फॉर्मल डॉक्यूमेंट। व्हाट इज योर फॉर्मल डॉक्यूमेंट? फॉर्मल डॉक्यूमेंट इन द सेंस परचेज ऑर्डर। आपको अमेजन वाला कैसे पे करेगा?
यस
आपको मटेरियल आपको
सर्विस
बेच रहा है, तो देयर शुड बी इनवॉइस जनरेशन। You might
या
have done some payment, you might have given some order. Okay, example say cash on delivery. How cash on delivery is made? There will be a document got created, right? वो तो सेल्स ऑर्डर हो गया ना, इधर तो एक परचेज ऑर्डर हो गया। यू आर परचेजिंग समथिंग, ठीक है ना? ऐसा नहीं है कि आप हाँ कल आ जाओ इधर, ऐसा नहीं आएगा ना वो तो काम करने के लिए। सो दैट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड। सी एवरीथिंग इट इज इन लेमन लैंग्वेज, यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये क्या कर रहे हो आप। देन ओनली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द सिस्टम। एसएपी टूल को आप समझ सकते हो अच्छे से, else like it is waste of time. Yeah, second one is this one, confirmation you are doing. Okay, see again I will ask next question again, you people doesn't know that. अभी दूसरा मतलब एक्सटर्नल वाला ये हो गया, एक्सटर्नल एंड एक्सटर्नल सर्विसेज, वो हम लोग कैसे करेंगे? इधर तो हम लोग अभी कंफर्मेशन किया, सिस्टम को बताया इलेक्ट्रिकल जॉब एंड इसका पहले दो जॉब मैंने कर दिया करके, व्हाट इज दैट, इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ पेपर मशीन कर दिया और इलेक्ट्रिकल जॉब्स कर दिया करके, ठीक है ना? सिस्टम को बता दिया, बट ये इसको कैसे बताना है? मेरे को सिस्टम को करना है तो ओके, हाउ सिस्टम विल कम टू नो दैट दी हैव परफॉर्म्ड मैकेनिकल जॉब, सिविल जॉब, स्ट्रक्चरल जॉब्स एंड इंस्पेक्शन ऑफ पेपर मशीन?
सर वो एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट करने के बाद पता लगेगा।
तो कर दिया ना, अभी तो कर दिया ना हम लोग। सारा मटेरियल्स आ गया, पहुंच गया हम लोग से मटेरियल्स मिगो का थ्रू रिसीव कर लिया हम लोग। ओके,
यस सर।
मिगो का थ्रू जब रिसीव कर लिया स्टॉक कंपोनेंट और नॉन स्टॉक कंपोनेंट्स, देन अपना काम करना चालू कर दिया, तो काम खत्म हो गया। खत्म होने के बाद मैंने ये दोनों कंफर्मेशन कर दिया, सिंस इट इज एन इंटरनल वन, इंटरनल लेबर हैविंग एन इंटरनल लेबर फॉर दिस टू थिंग्स, हाउ मच इट इज देयर, 500 आवर्स 500 आवर्स 500 आवर्स 500 आवर्स, कितना प्राइस हो गया? If you are maintaining 500 multiplied by per hour 200 rupees, then what will be your
यस
total cost? This multiplied by 500.
यस यस सर।
Okay, इसका टोटल कॉस्ट कितना हो गया? 2 lakhs हो गया।
2 lakhs यस सर।
ओके, 2 lakhs मतलब ये एक्चुअल कॉस्ट में आया होगा ना, अभी देखेंगे जाके एक्चुअल कॉस्ट में आया कि नहीं आया करके।
यस
Okay, go for your report plan bar actual cost. Here you
सर्विस इन
check now, see here actual
एक्सटर्नल
cost, it has come. This
सर।
activity allocation repair hours, this is called internal labor cost. Okay, बाद में internal labor cost, it has come now, 2
ओके
lakhs. Yeah, now you tell me how you get an actual cost, okay, of your external and external services PM02 और 03 का कैसा करना है? मैंने ऑलरेडी ये टॉपिक कवर किया है
सर।
मेनी टाइम्स
सर्विस
एंड।
इंटरेस्ट करेंगे क्या?
हाँ हाँ,
सर्विस इंटरेस्ट के थ्रू करेंगे
वेरी गुड। फॉर सर्विस एंट्री शीट फॉर PM02 और 03,
या पिछली बार ही बताया था आपने कि सर्विस इंटरेस्ट
that is good point, you remember that. Yeah, like till now you didn't practice but you still remember that word, that I appreciate that. Okay, but only thing is for PM02 और 03,
या
आप
वो
शशि
आपने बताया
शशि बोल रहे हो आशीष बोल रहे हो, कौन है?
एक्सटर्नल
आज
सर्विसेज के लिए
आज
आशीष, okay आशीष, yeah tell me. Yeah, Shashi was telling something now.
एक्सटर्नल सर्विसेज के लिए एसीएस करेंगे ना।
External service के लिए, very good. For external services you are going to use the service entry sheet, that is very good.
Yeah.
We are going to have an actual cost for this one, for external services. Okay, now what about your PM02? That is external labor, contract labor. For this also the PO is raised, no?
या
इसके लिए भी
जिस
सर्विस
जिस
पीओ बनेगा ना।
जिस चीज के लिए पीओ रेज किया जाएगा वो तो सर्विस इंटरेस्ट रेट में मेंटेन होनी चाहिए।
नहीं, okay.
मतलब सर
Now you
एक्सटर्नल
said
सर्विस
एक्सटर्नल सर्विस, दैट्स व्हाट, एक्सटर्नल सर्विसेज के लिए आप सर्विस एंट्री शीट यूज कर रहे हो, दैट इज बराबर। ओके, दिस यू हैव सेड द करेक्ट आंसर। द सेकंड वन, that this labor I'm talking about, this is just external labor. Okay, this you are doing it through Migo goods receipt. Okay, that you should understand, and if you get confused then go for your previous orders. Okay, previous order में मैंने clearly लिख चुका हूँ Migo goods receipt for external labor Okay, order confirmation IW41 for actual cost for internal labor PM01 control key. This is for PM02 control key.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you should just go through this thing. It's sufficient for you guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. And next, like for refurbishment order, I have showed you external services. That is PM03 control key. This service entry sheet. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me go for where we stand now. Yes. We have done confirmation now. Okay, this is done now. Let me go for MIGO, goods receipt. MIGO. Okay, MIGO and goods receipt purchase order. What is my purchase order number? For external labor, this is 1510.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mechanical jobs and civil jobs.
Yes,
Item
sir.
okay, item okay, check for any errors and post it. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Now I'm not touching this. बजट कहाँ पर है हम लोग बजट एक बार क्रॉस चेक करेंगे somewhere we have mentioned the budget. Yeah, this is the budget, right? Once I'll go for this, whether it is exceeding, it is not exceeding.
Yes,
Okay, anyone? Okay, it is exceeding, right? 1 2. No, it is not exceeding. 1 crore here 15 lakhs है. 1 crore here 12 lakhs है. It is not exceeding even though 98. Okay, लास्ट में हम लोग क्या करेंगे कहीं पे भी एक ऐड करेंगे और एक चीज फर्स्ट हम लोग खत्म कर देंगे all these things. Okay, then we will add it for example purpose and we will check that how it goes. Okay, yeah. Next, like we will go for what else is there? External services, correct? External
yes, sir.
services is there. Now this is done. Now goods receipt. This document is also done. Okay, external services ML81N service entry sheet. See, display service entry sheet. Planning team or MIGO team, whoever is concerned, those people will do it always. Yeah, purchase order number. What is your purchase order number? External services PM03. Okay, see here again I am writing MIGO goods receipt. Okay, here ML81N SRN or service entry sheet. Any name like you can keep it as. Okay, here like again here it is MIGO goods issue. Here MIGO goods issue IGI. ओके जो है वो देने के लिए इशू बोल सकते हैं बाहर से जो आ रहा है वो रिसिप्ट कर रहे हैं ओके यस व्हाट इज योर परचेज ऑर्डर नंबर टर्म्स okay you select like 30 and 40 means in that particular purchase order 10 and 20 right so you can have this continue okay then like you go for create the entry sheet for this okay 1 second for this like go on for create a entry sheet okay go for the creation of entry sheet here what you will do inspection of paper machine inspection of paper machine go for your service selection before that let me take one screenshot of it okay then like go for service selection okay here quantity adopt field quantity first 10th one okay 10th one so go for this okay select this services part okay one is selected another one is there another line item is there correct another
Yes,
line
sir.
item is also there so go for this service selections okay adopt full quantity is done from purchase order okay there are two line items right
Yeah.
one second okay let me finish this first okay
Yeah.
will be accepted and saved one entry sheet got created that is 10 line item
Yeah. For
second line
52.
item yeah service entry sheet got 452 got posted okay
Okay. We
okay
should note
next
that.
yeah next like again go for your entry sheet okay sorry not this go for ml81n again this time like I'll go for Another one. What is that? PO 11 only, right? 11. Line item is 20.
Yeah.
Okay. Go for this. Go for your entry creation. Go for service selection. Okay. Here you go for this service selection. In this selection, adopt full quantity. अभी इसमें दो आएगा आपको. See, two things are there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Double same select किया. Now like I have selected this 20 and 5. Got it. And now like you go for accept this and save it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now posted. It has been posted. Let me go for your investment order. Come back. You can go for your order again. IW 33. Enter. Go for your cost part. Go for your report plan batch actual cost. सारा का actual cost आ गया ना. See for
Yeah.
your raw material आ गया consumption. Okay, this consumption material आ गया. OEM products का आ गया. Gasket और इसको bearing का हो गया. This is bearing. This is gasket. Okay, this is purchased services का आ गया. Okay, just now we have done it. Okay, purchased
Yeah.
means like external services. Okay, and next internal labor का आ गया IW. IW 41 का through. इधर मेरे को goods receipt का आ गया. Okay.
बिल्कुल सर.
Yes, everything it has come up now. Now overhead cost posting is missing. See, still आपको 98% तो reach नहीं हुआ. Overhead cost posting करने से के बाद आपको ये मिलेगा. तो check
अभी
करेंगे
भी सर.
जाके.
Yeah.
हाँ. Then also you can go and go the technically techo also you can do it. But
Yeah.
no issues. But before that KO 88. Okay, here you go for settlement period. Settlement period will be 4th.
Yeah.
Okay, you cannot post to asset in company code. This thing.
Physically. Yeah. Why it is showing, sir?
You cannot post to asset in company code 1000 fiscal year 20. Okay, fine. Fiscal year 2024. It is not opened yet.
Okay.
Okay, for 3 month only we'll check and okay because some
Yeah.
error is coming. Okay, either the center is already settled or nothing is to settle. Okay, 3 months like anyway that date we cannot settle it. Okay, again like I'm going for this. Anyway, like till TECO only this investment order is concerned only till TECO. So no need to worry about this. Okay. Settlement. See, we cannot do the settlement also. Why? Because here like order whatever we have checked, right? Means we are doing it. That for that equipment we didn't select. So there won't be any kind of settlement over here. See, since there is no this thing, means we have to ask for the settlement profile. Okay, go for the settlement profile. Who will give the settlement profile? In entry, the last like normally to which part like you'll settle it. Okay, in this like we can select one is like asset or WBS element. Normally WBS element we have to tell. Investment order is settlement is WBS element.
WBS
Okay,
means, sir?
work breakdown structure. Okay, for the
Okay.
PS people will create this. Okay, project system will create this WBS element. From there, like you are receiving it, and to that particular WBS element, you are going to settle it because it is an investment, right? Budget will be over there. To that, you are going to settle it. Understood?
Yeah. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And now, like, what is this asset in construction? Asset in construction exists. I said about this. Like, you should go again. You know this number, right? 821440. So there is T code called AS03. Asset is created through your maintenance order. Okay, sorry, this investment order. Okay, now see asset got number got generated. That is 4188. Against what?
Yes. No, sir.
Origin is what? 821440.
One second. 1 second, sir. AS03 for asset master data.
Yes, exactly. Asset master data. Asset got created through your investment order.
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
understood.
See again, once it is created through your origin, you can see right through your investment order, it got created. This is an integration between FICO and PM part. Okay, asset in
Yes.
construction of measures and now remaining thing they will do it. Okay, everything. See time dependent. Okay, cost center, they have to put business area like location, allocations, origin, it's no depreciation areas, they have to fill it up. Every configurations they have to do it. Okay, just it got created automatically. Okay, how the PR got generated through PM, right? Order
Yeah.
like that, it got created. Okay, rest everything they will do it, and they will create and they will give us one WBS element. Okay,
Yeah.
that we have to use it in your order and close it. Okay, now we have not seen that warning message, no, only that we will see now, warning message. Anyway, let me go for your another one machine. Okay, just like paper machine, or else like I'll go for this. Okay, here what I will do, here I will mention some 200 people work for 200 hours. How much it will be the cost?
40,000.
40,000. Still there is the gap, no?
Yeah.
Now overhead cost is not there, so some error we are getting. So I have to increase more now. What is your cost now till now? Nine crores. Oh, sorry, 9 crores, 93 lakh 62,000. Correct.
Yes, sir.
93 lakh 63,000. It is in 93 lakhs still now. Okay, how much? 93 lakhs. 93 lakhs.
सर
1 second.
बजट से कम
93 lakh 62,000.
सर इफ बजट से कम हो जा रहा है तो अच्छी अच्छी बात है ना
Huh. Yeah. But what you cannot do, I'm showing you that. How much difference it is?
It is 1580
15 lakhs 80,000.
15
15 lakhs
lakhs
it should. Correct.
50
15 lakhs it should be. 200 multiplied by 200. How much it will be?
it will be
It doesn't.
40,000 only.
It is 40,000. Correct. Here I'll put some. Here I'll put some 2,000. Here I'll put some again multiplied by some 2,500. Okay. How much it will be?
15 lakhs
50 lakhs. 50 lakhs.
15
No.
lakhs
50 lakhs. हम लोग को कितना चाहिए डिफरेंस?
difference हमें चाहिए 15
15
lakhs
लाख चाहिए. 15 लाख चाहिए. 15 लाख बोलने से इसमें कितना होएगा? 1,000. It is sufficient. 25 lakhs. Okay. 500. 12 lakhs 50,000. Okay. 750. I'll make it 18 lakhs. Okay. बराबर है. Yes.
yes sir
750 hours like I should get it somewhere, and I'll make per hour charges as some more. 750 आने के लिए इधर कितना आएगा? 25 25
yeah
625. Okay. I'll mention some 30 hours. Then what it will be the case? 750. 750 के लिए multiplied by 2,500, 18 lakhs आएगा. Correct. So let me save this first. Let me go for your KP26. KP26 internal labor, right? हो तो
yeah
internal labor रहने से version 0 from
0
period is 01 01 to period is 12 2024 4,300 1410 is your
activity
activity
yeah
type. Okay, for this 200 rupees is maintained, so like I'll maintain how much? 2,500. बराबर 2,500 मेंटेन किया. मेंटेन करने के बाद ये ऑर्डर तो रिफ्रेश नहीं होगा, so come back, go for your IW32, go for this particular case. For internal labor, if you check, go and check in for internal labor. Okay, see for internal labor this much 750 hours. now तो बजट बाकी के लिए भी ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, है ना? नी
yes
नॉट टू वरी अबाउट दैट. नाउ अभी तो और एक बार डिटरमाइन करेंगे कॉस्ट, और एक बार डिटरमाइन करेगा बजट एग्जिस्ट लाइक कॉस्ट वेर डिटरमाइंड, सी कॉस्ट ओवरव्यू.
ऐसे भी सर इधर तो आएगा ही नहीं अब
हाँ
ऐसे भी इधर तो आएगा ही बजट से ज्यादा जा रहा
हाँ
है इसलिए
yes, like we'll go for this one. Now we'll go for confirmation. One is left out, no, partially confirmation is there, this particular thing. Let me go for IW41. Okay, enter now. Go for your सेव बटन से सेव हो रहा है क्या?
सर पिछली वाली ऑर्डर में जैसे हम बिना IW41 में गए कंफर्म कर दे रहे थे, इसमें ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है क्या?
ओ वाला नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो कैलिब्रेशन का ऑर्डर था, उससे उधर से कर रहे थे हम। ये वाला नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है, ये तो यही ट्रांजैक्शन कोड यूज करना। देखिए एरर आ गया अभी। डू यू वांट एरर लॉग कंफर्मेशन? यस, सी अवेलेबिलिटी
हम्म,
कंट्रोल वार्निंग मैसेज, एरर मैसेज में आ गया अभी तो।
yeah,
No agent could be determined for the message to be sent. Okay. See, now it cannot be done. Order budget almost exhausted. Budget almost
yeah,
exhausted. Okay. This like you should get. Suddenly आपको कोई मैसेज आ गया, आपको पता ही नहीं है एज एन यूजर। नॉर्मली आपका रोल क्या है, कंसल्टेंट का रोल। ऐसे एरर आने से आपको स्क्रीनशॉट देख के भेजेगा लोग, फिर आपको पता ही
yeah,
नहीं है ये क्यों आया करके।
सही
करेक्ट?
बात है सर।
You don't know like where to whom you have to contact, what is the purpose of this particular error. So you should give an explanation saying that this budget exhausted, so you have to reduce that manpower, or if this planning is there, then you have to inform the concerned team, FICO team, you have to inform. Okay, user का job नहीं है वो inform करने के लिए। Okay, that like you have to inform and you have to resolve that particular issue. Okay, हम लोग दो चीज़ है इसमें, तो आप डायरेक्टली आवर्स कम कर दो, नहीं तो आप जाके बजट को बढ़ा दो। Okay, in
वैसा।
case like if that is an availability is there, then you can increase the budget. Okay, let me go for KO22.
सर हम
This
दोनों
budget, yeah, tell me।
हम दोनों ही एक बार करके देख लेते हैं।
दोनों करके।
सर जैसे हमने वहां से मैन पावर KP26 में जाके आपने मैन पावर को चेंज किया,
हाँ हाँ।
तो एक तो तरीका वो हो गया इसको
नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो नहीं
और
कर सकते, वो नहीं कर सकते, वो तो जस्ट बजट इंक्रीज करने के लिए मैंने किया इधर। नहीं तो आप पीआर जनरेट करो, नहीं तो पीओ कर दो उसको, नहीं तो वैसा कर सकता है वो, तो उसके
तो
लिए
सर
मैं जस्ट मेंटेन किया।
तो सर बजट एग्जॉस्ट हो गया, तो इसमें आपने बताया दो सॉल्यूशंस हो सकते हैं, या तो बजट बढ़ा दो,
हाँ, नहीं तो
नहीं
आप
तो दूसरा
काम कम करना पड़ेगा, स्कोप कम कर दो। आपका केस
स्कोप
में
कम।
बहुत होता है ना, स्कोप कम कर दो। हाँ भाई, इसमें बजट नहीं है इस बार, तो कम काम करेंगे। जो 2 मशीन लगाना था इस बार एक ही मशीन लगाएंगे, नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे, वैसा
ओके।
है ना।
तो
वैसा आवर्स का
इसको
कुछ
जैसे
मतलब नहीं है, आवर्स इट्स जस्ट टू प्रैक्टिस। प्रैक्टिस
ओके
करते समय
इसको
मैंने बजट बढ़ा के दिखाना था ना आप लोग को। क्या रास्ता था मेरे पास बजट बढ़ाने के लिए? एक रास्ता था, मेरे को पीआर क्रिएट कर दो। एक एक मटेरियल खरीद लो 20 लाख का, फिर दिखा दो। वो तो पीआर क्रिएट करना है, पीओ करना है, फिर मिगो करना है, फिर दिखाना है मुझे। इससे अच्छा मेरे को उधर जाके आवर्स का रेट बढ़ा दो बस।
वो नहीं पूछ रहा सर, तो ठीक है बजट बढ़ाने के लिए तो सर ये बजट फीको टीम बढ़ाएगी कि हम बढ़ाएंगे? फीको टीम ही बढ़ाएगी ना सर।
101% फिको टीम ही बढ़ाएगा, एंड उसका पास अप्रूवल रहना चाहिए। वो अप्रूवल कौन लेके आएगा? यूजर डिपार्टमेंट लेके आएगा। ओके ठीक है। एंड आपको
यस
मतलब सब बजट है उसका पास, सब कुछ है, तो कुछ बजट ये लिख दिया, फिर ऑर्डर करते समय तो पहले आपको तो पूछा जाएगा कंसल्टेंट को, अगर
या
देखिए ये एरर आ रहा है मुझे,
वी हैव टू गाइड देम।
कंफर्मेशन करते समय। हाँ, तो आपको पता ही नहीं है बजट का बारे में, होता क्या है बजट, क्यों आया ये एरर, सब कुछ। ओके, देन यू हैव टू गाइड देम प्रॉपरली, नथिंग एल्स।
गॉट इट सर, गॉट
ओके, KO22, go for this KO22, go for your order number, then you mention some budget. Okay, example say some 35। okay, some
इट।
20 लाख के 30 लाख कुछ बढ़ा दिया आपने, जो करनी है कर लिया आपने। ओके, दिस इज फाइन, और लाइक मोर यू हैव टू डू इट। सम एग्जांपल से सम मोर वी विल डू इट, और लाइक बेटर दो कर दे।
ठीक है सर।
ओके, सो सेव इट। Now budget got increased. Let me go for your again confirmation of the order, enter. Okay, it's already confirmed.
यस
Okay, now go for your order, header part. If it's confirmed, it is fine. CNF, it is confirmed. Okay, this budget is not there. Okay, understood. All these things
यस
like it will be there. Okay. So here till like techo only we can do, we cannot do settlement. Why? Because settlement we should have a proper set this thing. Then how there is an interlink? अभी equipment तो बनाया नहीं, अब तो equipment लेके आ गया अंदर, नया equipment लेके आ गया, नया मशीन लेके आ गया, इसको इंस्टॉल कर दिया, इसको चालू भी कर दिया। ओके, ऑर्डर भी क्लोज कर रहे हो आप, टेक्निकली टेको कर रहे हो। कि क्या फायदा, क्या कैसा हुआ है इंटरलिंक। ओके, आपको तो सिस्टम में तो इक्विपमेंट है ही नहीं है ना। आज मतलब कल आएगा एक बंदा आएगा बोलेगा कि नया मशीन जो है वो तो उसको मुझे मेंटेनेंस करना है, 10 दिन हो गया लगा के, तो उसको मेंटेनेंस करना है मुझे, ये तो इक्विपमेंट में ही नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे इन लिस्ट। देन व्हाट यू विल डू?
सर फर्स्ट देन हमें इक्विपमेंट बनाना पड़ेगा ना सर।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली। ओके,
और
बनाना है
उसको
उसके लिए
फंक्शनल लोकेशन में इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा, जैसे हमने प्रीवियसली इक्विपमेंट को इंस्टॉल किया था।
इंस्टॉल किया था। वेरी वेरी गुड। ओके, द सेम थिंग लाइक यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट नाउ। ओके, दिस इज आवर्स ओनली, राइट? Okay.
ये
Somewhere we have seen some okay color kitchen. Okay, under this color kitchen, I am going to install this particular equipment now. Okay. Let me go for your IE01.
आई
IE01. Okay, equipment create करना है मुझे normally. Okay, new paper machine. On what basis? Because इसके लिए तो proof है आपका पास, वो तो machine already आ गया करके, ठीक है बराबर। And
यस
you know all these things. I don't waste much time on all these things. Directly I'll go for this. Okay, organization. Yeah, everything is fine. You can maintain your equipment, whatever things like you require. Go for your structure where you want to install it. I want to install under the color kitchen, correct? Continue.
यस
Then, is there any link between this thing and the FICO? No. Yes. See, go for your organization. Have you seen this asset? Now I said over here in your order part, there is something called asset, correct? Asset in construction. Asset in
या
construction हो कब जनरेट होगा? जब आप ये रिलीज करेंगे ऑर्डर, असेट जनरेट होगा। दैट इज टी कोड इज व्हाट? AS03 आपको मैं दिखाया,
यस
asset create होगा करके। So now when you're creating an equipment, then what you will do? Create an equipment, you search for an asset. Okay, go for this asset. Which is my asset? Asset is this one,
इंस्टॉलेशन
4188.
या
Installation of new paper machine. See, this is one. इतना दिन हम लोग asset यूज नहीं करते थे, अभी asset यूज कर रहे हैं। करेक्ट, नाउ वी हैव
ये
लिंक्ड विद दिस asset. ओके, एक बार
सर
लिंक कर दिया। हाँ,
ये हम मतलब असेट सर हम यूज कर रहे हैं, तो इसमें हम बाकी में नहीं करते थे, इसमें कर रहे हैं। इसमें इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि मशीन हमारा ऑलरेडी आके आ गया है
इंस्टॉल हो
रजिस्ट्री।
गया। ओके, न्यू asset. Correct, new asset. It got created through your investment order.
ओके गॉट
Okay,
इट
now
सर।
the equipment we have created, new asset.
यस
अभी मैं फिर से मैं I'll go for my order part. I'll go for in a change mode. Okay, change mode में जाके मैं इधर एक equipment है, इसमें लिंक करता हूँ मैं उसको
यस
बाद में। Okay, again I am putting it till now like it was empty, right? Now I am going
यस
for this. Now I am technically completing it. मेरा job मतलब user job खत्म हो गया।
ओके
Okay, then you want to do overhead cost posting, settlement, वो लोग बाकी लोग finance team देखेगा।
यस सर
Okay, need not to bother about all those things.
ओके सर। आप तो कर सकते हैं ना सर टेक्निकल कंप्लीशन।
टेक्निकल कंप्लीट कर दिया ना मैंने।
ओके
टेक्निकल कंप्लीशन करने के लिए मतलब टिल हियर इट इज यूजर जॉब, आफ्टर दिस
ओके
no need to bother. Okay, normally in someone asks like to which thing you will settle it, you tell like WBS element. To WBS element you will settle it.
यस सर
Okay.
यस सर ओके
Okay. On 5 minutes, then we'll be back and small topic I'll cover this user status.
ओके सर।
Okay, yeah. Okay, like the new topic for today that we are looking for user status. Okay, any idea about this user status?
As name suggests sir, user status
Okay,
like
yeah,
A1.
user will understand it easily, right? The status
Yes.
names and all, like user can understand it in his
Yes.
language. Okay,
Yeah.
yes. And another one thing,
Sir.
1 second.
Okay.
Yeah, here, see, What is your system status? Just now, like we have seen, these are the system status. See, SYST dot status. These are the status, right? Technically completed, confirmed, estimated cost, asset in construction, availability control. These are the names given by the system. We cannot change those names. Right now, user will tell that like it is difficult for me to remember all these things. I want to have my own names, okay, which are familiar, which are easy for me, whatever is name, like that is called user status. Okay, any names we can give. Example, say now for this practice things, like I have mentioned these names: INIT, PLIN, short forms. What is INIT? Okay, it is for like this initial bar create order created. Now it is in planning in progress, order is in planning in progress, whatever it is familiar with in your company, that you can keep your name. Okay, that names planning completed. Okay, planning completed. Then like work is in progress, and complete is job done. Okay, and lowest and highest hierarchy, what it means is, from example, say from this status I can jump to this status, that is 10 to 20 I can jump. I cannot jump from directly to 30. Why? Because from lowest to 10 to I can highest I can go till 20. I cannot
Yes.
directly, now it is in initial order created, directly I cannot go to job done 50. I cannot do it. If I give like 10 to 20 like this, then I can jump from here to here. But doesn't make any sense, no? So that you have to configure it while configuring 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 50. Means step by step I can go ahead. I can go.
Yes.
I cannot go back also. Why? Because from lowest itself is 30. Once I reach 30, I cannot go back. Why? Because lowest itself is 30. If I give here 10, lowest is what? 10 means I can go to 20 also. I can go back to again initial stage also. I can
Yes,
go
sir.
back. Okay, if it is 30, I cannot go back. I should, once I'll come from here to here, this stage to this stage, then I can here only. I cannot go back. Okay. Yeah, there is something called forbidden. Means what is the use then? If you make a user status, okay, I understood this statuses, I can change it manually, but we can restrict certain things. What are those things? Means if I'm in this particular stage, okay, status, I cannot release the order. Here, if I am in planning in progress, I can release the order, but I cannot do goods movement posted, I cannot do confirmation, I cannot do techo, I cannot do business complete, CLST. Okay, like that restriction. If I am in PCMP, that is planning completed, okay, then I can do confirmation. See, goods movement I can do GMS, but I cannot do confirmation, I cannot do partial confirmation, I cannot do techo business complete. If I'm in work in progress, I can do confirmation. Of course, I have done already GMPS. I can do GMPS also, confirmation also, partial confirmation also, but I cannot do techo or business complete. But here, job done, anything I can do once I reach this status. But I cannot jump directly from here. I said no, from here step by step I can
It's
go.
stepwise process.
Yes, and we can have authorization also. Who can approve this stage to this stage? You can have mentioned certain IDs. Only those people can change this status from here to here.
Sure.
Okay, like that. Okay, where we can do all these things. And of course, I'll explain this is status numbers because there are numbers, and there is something called status without number. Any name we can have. This examples: a risk involved, hard job, cold job, shutdown job, awaiting approval, awaiting work permit, awaiting safety permit. Okay,
Yes.
safety permit required. Safety permit required. Okay,
Yes. Yes, sir.
something like this. We can have just is a status, user status
Yeah.
without number. Okay, in general. Now we will go and create one thing. It is in backend. Okay, go for SPRO, go for SAP reference IMG, go for your plant maintenance customer service, go for your maintenance and service processing, go for your maintenance and service orders. Okay, then go for your functions and settings for order types. Okay, in this order types, go for your general data. In the general data, go for your user status. Okay,
Yeah.
general data, understood. So here only you'll get it general data. No need to go functions and settings, orders and settings. This general data. In this general data, define user status profile.
Yeah.
This is the backend one.
Yes, sir.
So we'll go for this. So go for user status profile. Define user status for orders. Okay. Any order. Okay. You can we can have user status for equipment. Okay, see equipment we can have user status, our own user status for notification we can have, maintenance item we can have, for maintenance order we can have. Okay, Now today, like we'll see for maintenance order.
Okay.
Okay, there are so many things. Okay, let me go and create a new entry. What is your new entry? You'll go KP01 user status US I'll put. Okay, KP01
User status.
order user status. This is for user status for order. Okay, like that we can create for notification, equipment, maintenance item, for all those things. Okay, this you keep in your mind. Yes, let continue. I have created mine. Where it is? KP01 here, this one. Okay, go for this, go for the details part here. For which object you are going to create it? I didn't select that order, no. Object type. Object type is must, that is maintenance order. Okay, I'm creating it for maintenance order. This tick mark should be there.
Okay.
This is important. Okay, so save it. It's a backend one. So SPRO transport request will be generated. Double click on this again. See here, status number. Here it is status short text. Okay, I have created just to save time. I have created already. Any name of your wish you can have it. Okay, here. What is your short text? Short text is this. What is your lowest and highest against that? Lowest and highest is this. Okay, but when you are creating an order, one will be like by default it should be there, right? That is called initial. Initial status should be this.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
this much is created. Then after creation of this, then where we can restrict it. Okay, see here. When I'm in initial stage, okay, here, okay, release should not happen. So double click on this. Say go for this one and go for create. Create here release should not happen. Where you find that release? Release, you search for the release. See release of the order. See here forbidden. Release operation. All those things should not happen. Release for execution. Okay, anything.
Okay.
Understood? Yeah, so save it. It's in backend again. Here it will be there. Come back. Now, if you want to see, it will show only that forbidden part. See here, forbidden part. Okay, this way you can forbidden it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So authorization will be created. Who can do that authorization? Authorization code can be selected. Security team, you can take the help of security team. SAP security. Yes, again planning in progress. Here what and all should be allowed. See here anyway release only this stage. Here release should happen. So I'm not touching this release over here. Only GMPS. GMPS confirmation technically techo closed. So let me go for from starting. So be careful. See complete the order. That is business complete. Confirm the order. Okay, after the confirmation, you go for goods movement. See goods movement posting, goods issue delivery, goods receipt purchase order, goods receipt for purchase production order, purchase order. Okay, that is done. Next, like this here, see release. I'm not touching the release. Here, see partially confirm the order. Okay, partially confirm the order. That I'm not allowing PCNF, CNF. See release. I'm allowing. Okay, I'm not touching that release. So let me go for again. Here technically complete. Understood. So come
Yes.
back. If you go and check. Here complete confirmation order, partially confirmation order, technically and GMPS I'm not allowing. Okay, next like I'll go for this. Then here what you are going to do, GMPS I'll allow, confirmation I don't allow. So
Yes.
confirmation tech on business complete of course. So complete the order, forbidden, confirm the order, forbidden. Say I'm not touching the GMPS and all. Here all these GMPS release also I'm not touching. Then directly I'll go for partially confirm the order where we are partially partially confirm the order. Okay, and of course come down here technical echo. Okay, just to cross check, let me going for this. See complete confirmation order tech on this one GMPS I'm allowing. So next one in this what I should do, only tech on business complete. So here you come, see complete the order techo I'm confirm the order I'm allowing. Okay, directly go down the techo. Where is the techo? This one. Okay, I'm allowing it. Okay, go for job done, nothing, no restriction here. No need to select anything. Okay, if you go for this, only see technically completion and business complete. CLSD. CLSD means business complete. Okay, save it, save it. This is done. Now, what about your thing? This one, just this copy it and paste it. What is this here? Without number, no? This is without number. So save it. That's it. Understood? After creation, it will be like this. So KP1 US, it has been created. Come back, come back. Now you have to assign your user status to your order type. What order type you want to assign? Any order type you can choose of your own. So let me go for your familiar one, PM01. Okay, for PM01 order type, I'm selecting this user status profile.
Yes,
Okay, so save it. Go for your order now. Creation of the order. IW31. Go for your IW31 PM01 order type. What equipment? Any one equipment you can consider. Let me consider some equipment. Okay, planning plant. What is this? Truck 20 wheeler. Some other one I'll consider. Instead of fleet objects, I'll consider something else. Yeah, some conveyor gearbox motor. Okay. Conveyor gearbox motor. See, some estimated cost I'll provide. See, let me go for initial. See, I typed like initial, right? This one. So when of the creation of the order, here it is an initial INIT. By default, it has come.
yeah.
See, this is your user status. Okay, manually we are going to change it. After assigning, this has come. Okay, you can check here also. Here this user status, it will be there. This is my system status. System status will be there, but you are bothered about your user status always. See, user status, and this is your system status. Now you are nothing but initial stage means any user will come to know, okay, I'm in creator status. What is not allowed in this initial stage?
Release
Release
of
is not
order.
allowed. Not
Release
allowed.
is
See, I'll try to release it. It will come like this. Status information. What it is coming? User status. Initial is active. It is active. Once it is active, then what it will be there? It is active. You can only carry out the requested function if this is allowed. Okay.
Yeah.
So it is not allowed. So
Yeah.
I cannot carry out that. Send to carry out that, then what needs to be done? Then it has to be changed. The user status has to be changed to next one, next level. Okay, who will
Yeah.
change? Whoever authorization, only that particular person can change it. Now I will changing it. Okay, have changed it. Now I'll try to release this. Okay, it will get released. See, it got released now. In planning, okay, PLIN release is not there. Forbidden is not there. Okay, you can do it. So save this. Now it has been released. Okay, now sorry, like let me go for the change mode. Enter now. Okay, in this like order, what will happen? Now second thing, operation is there. Just go for your some operations. I'm mentioning over here. Let me go for your components part. Okay, here also I'll go for some components part for example purpose. Okay, stock component or non-stock component, anything. And let me go for the stock components. Okay, now stock component got created. Now let me save this order. Once if you save this order, now I'm in PLIN. PLIN means what I can do. What I cannot do. I cannot do GMPS, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me go for your for Migo. Migo goods issue, reservation number, or like order number, anything is fine. Go for your execute. Okay, here see current order status does not allow your goods withdrawal.
Yes.
Okay, then like you'll go for your where order part. Okay, in this particular order part, you go for this. You go for planning completed. Okay, in this planning completed, what you can do? You can do goods movement posting. Correct. See, you can do goods movement posting. Planning completed. See, PCMP. Okay, now again I'll go for this one. Now again I will try whether I can do it or not. Okay, so I'll come back. It'll let it get refreshed. Me go for your goods issue order. This is my order number. So it will allow now. See, it is allowing. Check for it, post it. Okay, item
Yeah.
flag it, check for any errors. So post it. Now it is done. Now again, after receiving the material, then physical work will be carried out. After carrying out the physical work, then user will go for the confirmation, right? How system will come to know. That is one of the thing is confirmation. Now whether it will be allowed or not, confirmation. IW41. Confirmation not allowed. Why? Because now planning complete. In that confirmation is not allowed. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now like confirmation to be allowed, then what you will do? Next stage. Okay, see here. I am in PCMP. PCMP confirmation not allowed. I should do it in work in progress. Okay, go for your header data. I should change it to work in progress. Go for this. Make it in work in progress. Continue. So save it. Now user can do what? Confirmation.
Information.
IW41. Enter. Now see it is allowing me to do the confirmation. So save it. Confirmation is
Yes.
done. Okay, once confirmation is done, see once confirmation is done, then I will go for the order part. Now he can do it technically complete. Whether technically complete will allow?
Technically complete.
I am in WINP. Whether technical complete will allow?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Okay. No. See why? Because here like technically complete and business complete is restriction is
Forbidden.
done.
Yes.
Forbidden it is. So I have to change it to job done. Who can change it? Authorized person can change it. Okay. Continue. Now example say what is the use of all these things we are talking about. In middle, if you are awaiting for any approval awaiting, you can select this. Any if you are doing cold job, you can select this. If you are working under shutdown job, okay. If any permit is required or in job any like risk is involved or like safety permit required, anything you can select. See all these
Yes.
things like this it will be there. This is
Or
called selection.
we can also hold the job if
Hold
suppose
the
this.
job, something like that. You can add it here.
Yeah.
Work permit awaiting. So job is under hold. This one you select the job under hold. You can select that. You can select
Yeah.
it. User will come and they'll check. Okay, it is waiting for approval, so no need to work on this. Now job done is there. The once job done is there, then you can do anything. There is no restriction over here. Correct. So let me complete this technically complete. Okay, once technically complete is done, then settlement and all settlement can be done. Okay, after settlement you can go for your business complete. Anyway business complete you cannot do it. Why? Because order balance of the order is not zero. Okay, so business complete we cannot do. So let me go for your what?
Settlement.
All settlement. Okay, let me
Yeah.
go for your KGI2 first. Whether KGI2 can be done, I don't know. For this particular period some error is there. We will see. I guess we can do. For investment order it was an error. Okay. Okay, yeah, KGI2 is done. Now like we will go for settlement. KY88. Okay, remove this, go for this. Order now balance of the order will be 0. Go for this, see complete amount like it is 0. Come back, go for your order part, go for your cost part. And here you can check, go for your report plan bar actual cost. Now order is not holding any kind of cost, it is 0.
Yes.
Okay, now you come back. Now like if you go directly, you can business complete. Now in Techo, it will be changed to business complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
This is how your user status will work. Okay, go for your header data. Now it is CLSD. Over here it is job done.
Job.
Okay, whatever familiar things. Okay, or else like you can type over here, then here you will come to know. Yes, what are the status? See here written job done. Okay, Now you want to reverse it, you know how to reverse it. But I'll go for reversal. Okay, over here. See here reversal. Go for this reversal. You know I taught you reversal. Correct. And I'll cancel
Yes.
it. Technically
Go to
cancel.
fun.
What is this man? Technical cancel technical. Okay, now it is in release status. But here it is job done already.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
Then like what will happen? I want to do something. You can do anything, but because there is no restriction, no at job done. You want to do release anyway. You cannot change. You want to do goods movement, you can do. You want to do again confirmation, you can do. Again, you want to do technical techo, you can do. Okay. Anyway, it is done once you reached. But once it is reached, you cannot go back.
okay.
See here error it will come. Okay. Status VNF is not allowed.
Hmm.
Okay. See
Then
this is
what?
there.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the restriction you have kept, no, in
Okay.
status number. Okay,
Yeah.
that is
So
in configurations setting.
in
Okay, so
reverse
now what I
condition.
will do, example say now user will come up and will say, no, I want like that, I want to go back in some situation. So you have to analyze whether it is feasible or not to go back. Okay, in what case you can go back? So cancel or something like that, whether you can go back. Okay, that you have to analyze. Then go over here. Then one thing I will do here, what I will make it instead of lowest, I'll keep it as 60. Once job done, I can go back only till here, not from here to here, here to here again. Jump, I cannot jump. Only one I can jump. That is work in progress. I can jump. I am changing this again. Okay, here 40 I am keeping. Only one part I am keeping it. Okay, only one thing. Okay, job done, or else I can bit off. I'll change. I can go for work in progress. This much is allowed. Example think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I'll come back here. Come back here. First it didn't allow me. Okay, now let me go for IW 32. Enter. Now where you are in? You are in job done. So I will try to go back now. Okay, it will allow work in progress. Okay, so work in progress. Save it. Enter. Anyway, I can go again. I can go front, right? 40 to 50 is allowed, but going back also. Just now I changed it. So again I will come front. I can go, but I cannot go back further. See, status PCMP is not allowed. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now what I will do in work in progress, what will happen? Whether I can technically complete it? Business transaction not allowed. So again I have to come to job done.
Job. Yeah.
Job done now. Understood? This way you can keep it because someone can reverse it, no, all these things.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
System status, who has authorization. That time also you can reverse the user status. Okay, technically complete and business complete.
Yeah.
Hmm? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay then.